Okay, I am super excited and happy for you if you stuck with the course to this point. Now, this is the part that is really amazing, the part that I've been waiting for a long time to introduce you to. Now, section 4, next steps. Now, having gone through all this information, then it's now time to put your skills to use, whereby you will be creating your environment, doing your setups, and start getting your hands dirty. Alright, so let me just quickly jump into the resources that I have in store for you, and I'll be attaching this to your course that you can actually start implementing these solutions, environments. Now I've actually structured all of this information nicely for you, and if you recognize that we have threat hunting in action, and from here you're able to go to that link and see the very first demo that we did in our walkthrough session. And from here we have intro to network hunting, and this is a video that actually gives you a very detailed perspective on how you go about doing network threat hunting. Now I have also provided you resources, let me just bring you to this site, a very great site, a site that I also do my training and practice from my own advanced threat hunting development. And as I said before, this course is pretty much to lay your foundation and to guide you into those avenues to start building on your skill. So let me just quickly jump to this website here just to show you what is in store for you. Now on this website you are able to, this is your lab environment. So from here it's called the threat hunting training. You can also register. Once labs are available and classes are available, you could register, and you also have access to all of the slides, labs, lab downloads, all the environment, all the course slides are there. The lab downloads, all the virtual machines, the environment, login information, and pretty much how you go about getting up and running to create those lab scenarios for your threat hunting class. Lab details, all the lab notes, all the necessary recordings are also there that goes in detail for this threat hunting session that has been done. Very great environment. Now one of the things also in addition to that is the number of free tools for threat hunting that you can use. So from here, if you click on free tools, just waiting for this site to load. So there we have it. We have all the free tools available to your disposal. Right, this is Active Defense. You have Beaker, you have eSpy, you have Pastor, you have Rita, very powerful application. And you have a threat simulator. Alright, so you can actually go through, start experimenting with all of these tools, and also explore the site to get further details as to how you go about using all of these applications, environments, the labs to get your threat hunting career off the ground, up and running. And for even those who are already in the field, this is also an opportunity to sharpen your skills as you go along. Um, this tutorial that I have here will definitely show you how to create your own scene tool for with Elasticsearch with Kibana. So there are two sets of videos here that you can actually, these links will definitely show you how to create those scene tool environments to start examining various log files coming from various devices within your environment. As I said before, there are many tools, resources that can be used for ingesting logs that can be processed for investigation. So here we have Azure Sentinel, and these links will definitely provide you with the resources as well as videos where you go about configuring, start pushing logs from your personal computer to the cloud for analysis for threat hunting purposes. We also have threat hunting based on open source tools. Let me quickly go to this link here just to show you what is in store for you. So from this site you're able to, and you can also navigate through the entire slide deck to get further details as it explains about Kibana and all of those resources that are there for you to practice. So you have all your labs, the virtual machine files, all the details are there for you to set up your lab environment to start practice your threat hunting skills from there. Also, you have configuring your own hunting environment with Elastic, Logstash, and Kibana, the ALK. Alright, let me just quickly go to this GitHub repository to show you what's there. So from here you have all the instructions, right? The hunting ALK, or simply the ELK, is one of the first common source open source platform with advanced analytics capabilities such as SQL declarative language. So it gives you a total environment that you can actually configure with all the descriptions, all the details, goals, right? The introduction, all the installation steps are there. And this is one of the platforms that are used by many organizations, that they customize it, they design their own interfaces and actually configure, build on top of this architecture. So there you have a number of resources that you can use at your disposal to build on the theoretical knowledge that I've just provided you with. So I will see you in the last section of this course, just to wrap up and also to recap what we have done to this point. See you then.